This is an installation guide for a Love to Drive wind deflector for BMW 4s from 2021 to 2026. Your BMW has 4 holes in the rear trim panels to allow the wind deflector to lock into place. Start by extending and locking 2 bolts on one side of your wind deflector by turning the handle down. Turn the wind deflector over and lower it into the rear seat area. Insert the 2 bolts into the holes on one side of the trim panel, then lower the wind deflector down, align the bolts with the holes, extend the bolts into the holes, and turn the handles down. Removal is just the opposite. Turn the handles forward, slide the bolts back, and then lift the wind deflector up and out. Now we're just going to take a close-up view, slide the bolt into the hole, turn the handles so they're down so they lock into place, and lift the top panel up. You're done. So removal is just the opposite. Lower the top panel down, turn the handle forward, slide the bolt back, reach in, do the same for the rear bolt, and then lift the wind deflector up and out. So your wind deflector does come with a storage bag, and your wind deflector does store in the trunk when not in use. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us at our 1-800 number or at information@lovetodrive.com, and hope you have a great time with Top Down.